Hi, welcome to Babies in Blooms. Today we're going to look at Gina's raised garden beds. There's an amazing looking tomato basket there, which we decided against.
Doesn't work.
Those don't work. Don't get those.
Now in
So
here,
here's our...
cucumbers growing, I have poblanos.
And these are the we call them cattle panels or hog wire. And that's what they usually use for their livestock panels. And all you have to do is get a couple of these little tea stakes here, this green and white stake, and
pound them into the dirt. Now we don't have a T-post driver, so we just use a hammer and get you some of them zip ties.
Some zip ties or some duct tape if you prefer.
So I started all
or
these
wire.
Started all these seeds in the greenhouse, and then once it, isn't so cold at night, then we put them out.
We transplanted them.
Yep, transplanted them.
And this cattle panel here is a 16-footer, right? It's the 14 by 16 footer.
14?
4 foot, sorry. 4 foot by 16 foot. And it looks like your little raised planters here are, how far apart is that? That's like 6 feet. It looks like it's like, well, the planter itself is probably like 3 feet apart.
Yeah, I mean, I can
2.5
measure it. It makes
feet.
a nice...
But the arch looks like it's about, the ends are about 6 feet apart. So if you want to build some raised planters, you want to keep in mind how far apart your planters need to be if you want to put one of these cattle panels and make an arch. And there is an online calculator that you can use to figure that out. It'll tell you how tall your arch will be if you place the ends a certain width apart. And that's
so
what I use.
So these are about 6 feet apart.
6 feet apart, yeah.
And then how tall are they?
I go down, you go up.
Okay. 7 feet tall.
7 feet tall. So if you put it 6 feet apart, it'll be 7 feet tall, and of course it is off the ground.
Yeah, it is off the ground a little bit. But then that way, when your cucumbers grow all up here, you can walk underneath and you can
just pick.
You don't have
to bend over. It's hard to bend over when you're pregnant.
It's hard to bend over anytime.
Well,
you know how when you have a bunch of cucumbers on the ground and you always miss them.
And they're all like yellow and ugly and dirty.
Yeah, you always miss them, and then like the rats come and they eat into them.
Oh yeah, that's why we have so many cats.
Now I gotta tell you, last year I grew these cucumbers and I thought, these are the best cucumbers I ever had.
Those little round cucumbers.
They were little round cucumbers. I thought they were, what are those cucumbers called?
Those little round ones? They're called lemon?
Lemon cucumbers? I thought it was a lemon cucumber. They were so good. They were so sweet. And then I went through my seeds because I was like, I gotta grow some more of these. Turns out they were cantaloupe. They were just little baby cantaloupe, and I was eating them when they were green. But
so that's why you mark whatever you plant.
But I mean, hey, it's not, they were delicious. I might
have to grow some more of those little.
Well, I am growing cantaloupe again this year.
And here, where are you growing cantaloupe?
Let's see.
Wait, what are these right here? Are these cucumbers?
No, this cantaloupe.
Oh, that's the cantaloupe.
Wait. These are mini melons.
They're marked. Mini melons.
Yeah, these are mini melons. These are honeydew, and then those are cantaloupe. So we have a couple honeydew.
So these melons are going to grow up over this cattle fence here, and I think with the mini melons they might be okay, but maybe with the bigger melons you have to support them once.
Yeah, you'll have to
once they get big
them a
and
little
heavy.
bit.
Growing over here.
Now over here I have sweet peas growing. Now I didn't get my sweet peas started kind of in the right time, so we're starting them a little late, and I haven't watered them yet today, so they're looking a little bit dry. But hopefully we get these peas to kind of grow up over the arches, and it'll be real pretty and real nice. And then I have some cherry tomatoes over here just because some of my peas did not grow, so I decided to throw those. I have those extra in the greenhouse. Thought I would throw those in there, and then yeah. So sometimes with peas you should soak them first before you plant them.
I didn't know that.
I'm pretty sure, but I didn't do that. I had an okay success rate, but I think it probably would have been better.
Tell me about these little dig marks here in the dirt, and this dirt on the side of your box.
What?
Is that from the cat?
I think it's from the kids.
Oh, it's from the kids.
Kids.
Blame it on the cat when it's really the kids.
Kids always have their little
shovel.
See, we got one right there, that little shovel right there.
Oh, yeah, it's a kid shovel.
It's for sure a kid.
Gina has the prettiest roses. Gina, what is this rose bush right here?
Well, that one's not looking so good right
Oh,
now.
it's
but
pretty.
That's an Eden.
That's an
It's a
Eden.
pretty and pink Eden.
We like the Edens. They grow really well here.
And I have the regular Eden over there, which is the pink and white.
Brooks is pruning it for us, or deadheading it, I guess. We hope. We hope
Who
he's
knows-
doing it. Brooks, what
who
do you?
knows
No,
what
just
he's doing.
deadhead it, Brooks.
You don't just cut
Don't
off
just
the
cut-
dead flowers, the brown ones.
The brown ugly dead flowers. Cut those ones off. There's a whole bunch right over there.
You know, whatever keeps them busy.
Oh yeah, I don't keep him busy as long as he doesn't cut off his finger.
Now you could show them my self-wicking pot.
Oh, your self-wicking pot. Oh, that's a whole other project there.
Yeah. No, I don't know how this is our first attempt at this, and we got this idea from old Leon
Leon on
on
YouTube.
YouTube, but we'll see how it goes. We filled the bottom with milk jugs and some tarp to waterproof it because it's just a fabric bag. And then we filled it up with water in the bottom, and we'll see how it goes. Bless you.
So the idea is the bottom's filled with water, and then your dirt's on top, and then that plant's gonna,
Sweet boy.
roots are gonna grow into the water, and as the water decreases, the roots keep growing down into the water.
But I think you still have to put water in it.
Oh, you do? You still water it?
Yeah, I think you still water it.
Oh, what's the PVC pipe sticking out for?
That's for you to water it
Oh,
with.
so you add water to
So the
it.
water goes down into there, into one of the
Cool.
milk cartons.
Well, next time we make one, we'll show you how to do that too.
Yeah, we'll see how it works first. I have more boxes here that we put
Oh
our
yeah, I
butternut
just whipped up
squash in.
these this summer just to, they're kind of, you can move these little boxes and, right? They're kind of portable. They're not so big.
Well, not
they're
right
full
now.
of dirt now, I guess. They're not really portable anymore. But, you know, it was nice to add just a little filler here for her. And you've got some huge plants in there. What is
Yeah,
that?
butternut squash.
Oh yeah. Hope you like butternut squash. Plants that Gina started in her greenhouse.
That are not all weeds, I promise. So these are peppers that I have here. I believe these are poblanos, if I can find the little stick.
You started all these from seed?
Started all these from seed.
How long ago?
Probably a month or two ago when it was still cold at night. Peppers like it to be real hot. So these ones over here, these are jalapenos. I haven't had any good luck with my jalapenos. I don't think it's hot enough. And these ones are kind of shaded by the crepe myrtle here. They were doing better before the crepe myrtle kind of came back to life.
So this little planter you have here, Sam just whipped that up out of a couple 2x6s?
some
Are those 2x4s?
I think they're 2x4s. I'm not really
It
sure.
looks like 2x6s. It's a little
Yeah.
bigger than 2x4s.
And then I just hooked them up to the drip there.
We love our drip systems.
We sure do.
We get really excited about drip systems.
Yeah, we'll make a video about drip systems
We will.
later. And then we have our tomato planter box over here.
This is another big, nice raised planter that they built. They went and bought some 2x12s. How long were those 2x12s?
Oh, I think they were 10 feet.
10
Is
feet
that
or
how
12
it
feet
is?
maybe? 12 feet?
And I have it hooked up to the drip too. You can see my main drip thing here. And then I just put these flag drippers here right above
I
each
like
plant.
A flag dripper.
Yeah, me too.
It's my favorite.
Yeah. So it just drips right down, and I put those on a gallon per hour.
Now this one she put up a cattle panel horizontally instead of the arch, which is nice.
Yeah. Oh,
We
wait,
learned
this-
that from Roots and Refuge.
We sure did, and then that gives us something to grow our tomatoes up on. They won't get so floppy. And you know, the tomato cages, I always find my tomato cage always falls over by the
Yeah.
midsummer. So,
So these cattle panels are like, I think they're like $26 at Tractor Supply, and they come in. Well, this one might have been different because it's not quite as long, but the 4 foot, are they 4 foot? 4 foot by like 16 feet. They're $26. So they're a
I
good
think
deal.
this one was actually a little bit more expensive. This is
Oh,
one
really?
Sam bought on accident.
Oh, this is the accidental
think
panel.
This is the one that was the wrong size,
Wrong
and it
size.
was for some reason more expensive. I'm not really sure why. Now we've been pruning our tomatoes.
Oh yeah, let's show how you prune your tomatoes.
Let's see if there's any. I
There's one
should
right
probably
there.
tie some of them up so you get in the. Well, that's not really one. I kind of kept up on it.
kept
Oh,
them
here's
all
one.
trimmed.
So on the little armpit here, right here, you want to pull those off.
Keep
Those
your
are
bottom
suckers.
leaves trimmed,
Yeah, keep your bottom leaves trimmed up to the bottom of the.
because your tomato plant's gonna want to just get big and bushy, and you want it to grow up. So you want to
Yeah.
keep your bottom leaves trimmed off. They get kind of wilted and curled
And then
up and
I should
dirty.
Probably tie that back. I haven't done that yet. Now there ain't nothing like the smell of tomatoes on your hand, you know? You
That's great.
start picking these, you
Doesn't
like
it remind you of Papa?
Yeah.